In a quiet village, a curious little cat named Luna discovers she can paint rainbows that dance in the sky. Each color she paints brings magic to the world. Orange sparks, giggling fireflies, blue drizzles create floating bubbles, and violet streaks summon tiny flying dragons. One day, Luna's rainbow magic fades, and the village grows gray and sad. Determined, she sets off on a sparkling quest through enchanted forests, glowing caves, and clouds shaped like animals, meeting talking foxes, mischievous fairies, and a wise owl who holds the secret to restoring her colors. With courage, laughter, and a brush full of starlight, Luna paints the grandest rainbow ever, filling the sky with shimmering magic, friendship, and joy.